Hi, I'm Lavanya Natarajan. I'm the Center Director with Zebra Robotics Brampton location. The quality and the passion for STEM is very important. When I was looking for an opportunity to look for a proper franchise model, it looked like Zebra Robotics had the quality in the STEM education that is required. When we talk about quality, it's about what would students take from the program and how would they take it ahead in the future out there. So when you look at the program, Zebra Robotics curriculum not only prepares you for university, but it also actually prepares you for after your industry working experience as well. So that is what has piqued my interest with Zebra Robotics. One of the key reasons for starting up this franchisee model was to actually improve representation of women in STEM. We all know that women in STEM has been significantly low. It's still lesser than 22% today in the industry. When I work in the industry with a team, I hardly have around 2 to 3 girls in the team. So one of the reasons was to improve representation of women in STEM. So Zebra Robotics has given me that opportunity where we start working with girls at a very young age and build that consistently over the time, providing their support so that they can make their careers in STEM. The other reason is also that we do find a lot of underrepresented communities, like for example, people with disabilities, autism, where they have a lot of potential, but they do need a lot of training and coaching in a particular customized way. So Zebra Robotics provides with that particular format because we do one-on-one coaching with the child. We have flexibility in how we can adhere to the child's needs and coach them. So that is, so based on these two, we have been able to, over the past years, we have been able to bring more than 60 plus girls in the STEM industry. And also we have been able to work with like Autism Canada, work with children with autism so that we are able to help them make significant impact in the STEM space. Yeah, this is a very important and significant question. Being an engineer and being in STEM, it was not the technical expertise that I needed more help on. The most important help that I needed was in terms of setting up the business, how the classroom structure would look like, how the marketing and the sales and the operation would look like. So there have been significant coaching in-person coaching, and I want to say like whenever I needed help, there was always support in terms of how I can run and how I can work the model, make the business working. So that has been one of the significant reasons and a lot of help that I've got from Zebra. STEM is going to be the future. Where we look at today, we see that the need of STEM in every industry is there, no matter what field or career you choose. STEM, robotics, coding, electronics is going to be part of your part of the child's or the future of the individual. So it is so important to be part of something that would bring such a big impact in the future. So franchisee model like Zebra would help you in bringing that positive impact in the world out there.